Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now today's video we're actually going to be doing another unboxing. I've started doing this unboxing right after recording the Venezuelan Sun Tiger unboxing, which is the Salmapuis Aminia, or however you pronounce it. I'm not really good. But like I said in that video, I've had two packages come on the same day. One from the person I got the avicularia, the pink-toed tarantula off, and then one from the spider shop, which is actually a mystery box, and then a few other surprises in there as well. So anyways, let's get straight into the video, and I'll catch you guys in a sec. Right guys, so this is the box from the spider shop. It's got some weight to it, and I've just shown my address by accident. You didn't see that. I'm trusting yous. But anyways, let's get this unboxed. I'm just gonna, yep, I'll do it this way. Along. Probably shouldn't be doing that, cutting towards us. Oh well. Oops. Yeah, considering I've just cut towards us, I hope nobody cuts towards you, because that could end badly depending if the knife slips, you'll end up stabbing yourself, or worse. I mean, would you get anything worse other than the stab? I'm not sure. But anyways, let's get all this out. Traditional packing peanuts. Now, can't see anything else in that, so I'll put that aside. Now, in here, well, heat pack's still warm, taped onto the side of the box. I've never seen the spider shop do that before. But I mean, I suppose it'll help the tarantula get the heat. To be honest, this box is absolutely crammed. I can tell it is already. So they probably couldn't put the heat pack inside. Oh, sorry guys. So we've got some lids here. You'll see why we've got some lids in a second. With some hides and stuff. These are actually because, as well as a mystery box, I've ordered a Birdeater box. So these come with a Birdeater box. Now, let's see. I can't actually pronounce this. Pretty sure this is part of the mystery box, because I didn't order this. So there it is there, 8 to 9 centimeters. So I'll Google that so I can tell you guys what it actually is. More towards the rehousing bit. Some of you will probably read that and know what it is. I just can't read that writing. Well, I can read the writing, but for some reason I can't read that word. Ooh, nice. Here we have a Nandu Tripapi sling, 1 centimeter. But at the end of the day, we all know the spider shop sizes. They're sometimes smaller than what they say. Oh, and I've got another one of these tarantulas. Got a Talita Callenbergi. I remember last time I ordered a mystery box off the Spider shop, I got one of these. But hey, doubles, I'm not bothered. Looks like we've got a Nandu Chromatus. I think that's what it is. An N Chromatus. 1 to 2 centimeters. Then we've got a P Sasmia. Can't pronounce that. I'm not good with scientific names. I do try my best though, but it's a P Sasmia 1 centimeter sling. Oh, I ordered this one. The Kilubraki's Cane Krachan sling. 1 to 2 centimeters. So we'll put that we'll put what I've ordered aside and put the mystery box to the other side. This is part of, yeah, this is definitely part of the Birdeater box. So we've got a 1 centimeter A Geniculata, a Brazilian white knee. Oh yeah, and the Kilubraki's King Kachan is the Dark Earth Tiger. Then here we've got a Lasiodora Paraipana, salmon pink Birdeater. Let's see what else there is. I know there's definitely got to be more in here. Charlie? No? Maybe not. Yeah, nothing else. Thought there might have been 1 or 2 more, but nope. It's the Tita Nandu Tray Puppy. Right guys, so I'll just arrange all of this and then I'll get back to yours. Right guys, so these are what I ordered. I ordered this, which is the Kilubraki's Cane Krachan. These, which came in the Birdeater box. And then these 3 came in the £30 mystery box. Still struggling to find what that is. I've tried googling it. But to be honest, I think I'm seeing letters that aren't meant to be there. But I'll send the Spider shop an email. And we've got the Talita Little Kalimbergi. And then we've got the P Sasmia. That came in the mystery box. And then obviously these all are ordered. The Nandu Tripapi, Nandu Chromatus, A Geniculata, in Lasiodora Paraibana, as well as the Kilubraki species King Krachan. So, mystery box, ordered. I'm pleased with that. So anyways, I'll get these rehoused for this video and then I'll do these 4 in a separate video. So we'll put them 4 aside and just get these out the way first, and then in the next video it'll be them 4. So catch you guys in a sec. Guys, so we have all the enclosures set up here for the Birdeater box. Just ignore the messy table. It's got soil everywhere. So first we're going to rehouse the Nandu Tripapi. Just get a lid on standby to chuck over the top. Yeah, these are absolutely fucking tiny, but yeah, what I'm gonna have to do is check all the different sizes first now, because I really don't want to be putting ones like that. One was ridiculous small. I was expecting it to be slightly bigger. So that's the only issue with the Spider shop. You will get smaller than what it actually says. Let's check this one. This one's slightly bigger. This one's the Nandu Chromatus. See if I can. Yeah, we'll put the Nandu Chromatus in. Still extremely small, but there's the Nandu Chromatus. There we go. So we've got the Nandu Chromatus in right there. Now we'll just pop the lid on that to get all the dust off the top. Make sure all corners are down, don't want it escaping. There. So Nandu Chromatus is right there. Put that aside. Put that there. I'm just gonna check the size of the other ones. See which ones I want to put in these enclosures and which ones I'd want to wait a little bit longer for. Yeah, the Birdeater Box is still a bit big. We'll just check the age end. The age end says 1 centimeter on it, so I'm expecting it to be ridiculously tiny. Or maybe not. Right, so we'll put the Anoscoricia geniculata in here. If I can get it out, there we go. There's the Anoscoricia geniculata. So what I'll do is just straighten the tissue. Oh, low battery just come up on my phone. There we go. So we've got the A-gen in, still absolutely tiny, but we'll get a lid on that. So we'll put the A-gen aside, and then the Birdeater Box. We'll put in one of these, although it is on the small side. To be honest, it's more of its leg span. It's got a very, very small body, but a largish leg span, so it's already wandering around. But yeah. There, if you can see them there, that is the Birdeater Box, salmon pink bird-eater. There we go. There he is there. Right there. So we'll get the lid on that. Then the Nandu Tripapi, I am literally just going to place inside a vial. It is that small. So if you just bear with me guys, I'll get the vial set up and then get the Nandu Tripapi in. Okay, so there's the vial for the Nandu Tripapi. I'll just give you guys a look. That's what I meant about size. Absolutely tiny. That will go. So the Nandu Tripapi's in there. Just get a lid on before she runs out. Oh hey, don't know which one it is, which sex it is yet, because it's way too small to tell, but there we go. So there we've got the 4 bird-eating species all packaged away. And it just means that this enclosure can go to one of these fellas. Anyways, that's it for today's video. The next video will be me rehoming everything else, like the mystery box and then the tarantula that I ordered. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to thumbs it up if you liked it, and also if you don't want to miss out any future content related to reptiles, tarantulas, sometimes aquatics, then subscribe to the Exotics Realm and press the notification button. But anyways, catch you guys in the next one, and I hope you all enjoyed. Oh, na, 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 oh, na, na, na.